Hello guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the trend. Now before starting this video, I want to make one comment. That comment is, do not see market in a technical point of perspective. Always see the market in terms of buyers and in terms of sellers. If you see the market in the shoes of buyers and sellers, then it will help you to understand market more and more. So from this video onward, just consider or just analyze the market in terms of buyers and sellers instead of saying resistance break, support break. Suppose what I meant is let me give one simple example. Suppose this is the resistance and this is the support. Now what is the resistance and what is support, we are covering in the next video. Now let's take an example. If buyer bought this much stock, buyer pushed the market towards resistance. Now what happened on the resistance? Some selling come, but again buyer pushed the market, but again selling come, again market moved downside. But now this time what happened? Buyer really moved the market. Now as per seller, what are you thinking? Suppose market is moving this one, but again taking support here, moving this one, again taking support here and moving this one. That means buyers are shifted from here to here to here, right? Let me draw it again. Here is a resistance, here is a support. What I mean is market buying here, took a resistance, market came down, again took a resistance, market came down, and now this time market is breaking. Now what's happening is this buyer, again buyers are activated here, buyers are activated here. That means buyer are pushing the market towards upside, but sellers are still here, right? Resistance is nothing but sellers. See in the seller's point of view. Now whoever sold here, someone sold here, right? Someone sold here. That's why market dropped this much. But buyer are able to push their positions. Now when market break this one upside, that means whoever sold here, they need to buy. Why they need to buy? Because their stop losses must be here. Their stop losses will hit and buying will come. And market will start moving upside. Now this is the very simple analysis. Without any technical indicators or without any technical keywords like support resistance, just see market in terms of buyers and sellers. This is the first key point. Now let's back to our topic again. Our topic is trend analysis, or what is the trend. In the market there are only three types of trends. Now what are the three types of trends? Let me show you. First trend is upside, right? First trend is upside. Second is downside. Now what is the third one? Third one is nothing but sideways. Now what happening in the upside? Upside is nothing but market is moving upside full day. And what is downside? Downside means market is moving at the downside. Then what is sideways? Means either buying and selling is at the same level. That's why market is not either moving upside level and not either moving at downside level. That's the sideways. It's a whole theoretical summary, which is important, not important. It's actually based on you. But because of it's a 0 to hero course, it's my responsibility to showcase you what are the trends theoretically. Now the confusion is, most of the people ask me why you are telling me this. Just tell us how we find out the trend. It's really simple. How to find out market is moving upside or market is moving downside? Most of the people losing money because they are not able to analyze what is the trend. How to analyze the trend? It's simple. Again, you need to take help of multiple factors like what are the candlestick pattern market is creating. Multiple time frame analysis you need to do. Multiple time frame analysis, as well as you need to mark support and resistance levels. Now suppose market is at resistance level, took this resistance from moved here, it's uptrend. No, unless and until market break this resistance and moving upside, it's not an uptrend. There is high chances that suppose you entered here because you are seeing that it's uptrend, but there is high chances that market will also move downside from here. Who knows? And your stop loss may hit. This is also possibility. So you need to clear with the trend and always follow the trend. In the stock market, there is a proverb called as trend is your friend, right? Trend is your friend, and you just need to follow this rule. Do not follow your mind, because what your brain or what your heart will think is, now market moved full upside, now market is at the top, now anyways market will fall. So if you see any bullish any bearish candle, you will directly trade at the PE side, in the PE side, in the sense you will directly trade at short positions, you will short the trade, and high chances that you will lose money. Always go with the market trend, and without confirmation do not trade. Now how to draw trend line technically, for that I am making a separate video. Now what is the importance of trend line, that I am showing you theoretically in this video. If you know, then you can skip this video, that's not an issue, but just bear with me, you will understand the few more things. For example, if market is moving upside, market will directly move upside like this line, right? What market will do, market will create some swing and then move upside. So market will move upside just like this, move upside, come down, move upside. Now what is this, what are these swing represent? This represent the upside in the market. Now you just need to draw one trend line. Wait, let me draw it again. You just need to draw trend line here, so that you will better understand where market is moving towards. You just need to draw trend line which touches this one, which touches some multiple swings. This is the pattern of the trend line. Suppose if your mind is saying, or if your analysis is saying that one, now this is the big resistance, and market will move downside. So what you will do, you can just wait for this trend line breakout. What this trend line represent? This trend line represent the buying. That means if this trend line break, selling will come, right? Why selling will come? Whoever bought here, or whoever bought in this above this trend line, they need to sell here. If their stop loss will hit, that's why if market break trend line, high chances that market will start falling again and again. That's the importance of the trend line. It's for uptrend. Downtrend is also for downtrend is also same, how to draw trend line, that we are covering the technically. But here theoretically, if market is moving downside like this, you just need to mark trend line here. You just need, let me draw it again. If market is moving like this one, you just need to draw trend line this one, and whenever market breaking this trend line at upside, high chances that whoever sold here, they need to buy, and market will start moving upside after breaking the trend line. That's the whole summary for the market. In the sideways, market will directly move to two major support and resistance zone, and who knows, some strategists trade in sideways, then only they are able to make money, but not as compared to uptrend and the downtrend. If trend is clear, then only trade, otherwise do not trade. If you are thinking today trend is downside and your mind is prepared for downside, but market is moving upside, avoid the trade, do not trade, because market is not respecting your analysis. It's fine to avoid the trade instead of losing money. Okay, hope you got my point. In the next video, we are covering how to draw trend line technically in the charts, so that you are easily able to draw it, analyze it, and what is the swing in the detail. We are covering it in the next video, and which one is the best time frame for the trend line, how to draw, in the next video. I made this video too much long because you need to see the market in terms of buying and in terms of selling, not in terms of this is the zone, this is the pattern. No, when you start seeing the market in terms of buying and selling, you are easily able to understand the market sentiments. That's the whole goal for this video, to make this video long, even for the very basic terms. Hope you got my point. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.